Points inside the NHL's Western Conference go at it here tonight on the ice. James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro ready to go. Both these teams look ready to go, as does the official. Let's bring it on. The Kings start with possession as we are now underway. Los Angeles is across the blue line. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. The Golden Knights have it against the wall. Poked away by Theodore. Sends a pass over. Across the line from center. And that's offside, stopping the play.
Petrangelo's defensive game is his primary focus, guys, but don't be surprised if he jumps in on the attack. Kopitar's quick pick zone ability means he can transition to the attack by intercepting passes. I'm expecting one of these two players to give their team the edge tonight, guys. Back to you.
Stopped by the goaltender. Picked up along the wall by Theodore. From the right side, they gain the zone. Moves it quickly over to Pietrangelo. Fires one. Denies him on the play. Los Angeles gains the zone. Vegas looks to move the puck from their own end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Tries to get it over to Doughty. Slides it to Athanasiou. Here he is in front. Denies him in close.
Sharp reaction save.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. The game is still scoreless. LA's won the draw. Oh, gets a little piece of it and keeps it out of the net. Play set to resume with the face-off ready to go. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Great forecheck by Brown. Grabbed along the boards by Kempe. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end. Scrum along the boards. Los Angeles looks to get things going now with the puck. And they won't connect on that one. Off a stick. Moves the puck. Vegas is on the attack. Moves it to Kempe. Takes the feed. And he takes a shot. Oh, how did he keep it out? What a blocker stop by Leonard. And he makes the save. And he elects to play the puck. Down the right side and into the zone. Oh, and he whiffs. Quick feed to Janmark. And that's some great pressure in the offensive end by Pacioretty. Takes the feed ahead from the left side. Sends the pass over. Vegas gains a hold of possession. They try to maintain possession inside the defensive zone. Sends it over to McNabb. Here's a chance. Stops him with a glove. Peterson's on top of that for the whistle.
Pretty quickly on top of it to kill the play.
Here in the late goings of the period, still no score in this one. The Kings take possession off the faceoff. Slides the puck over. Sent into the offensive zone. Vegas looks to break out in their own end. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. Puck dumped in. Vegas has it behind the net. Sends it ahead to Stevenson. There's the buzzer. 20 minutes in the books. Second period just around the corner.
Please don't throw any objects on or towards the playing surface at any time during the game. The throwing of any object is grounds for immediate removal from this building.
Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Second period set to go. Still no score in this one. We'll see if period number 2 finds ourselves a goal. One period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
The Kings have to believe in the process that they're playing well, they're possessing the puck, and eventually they'll crack through with the game's first goal.
Battle along the boards. Puck picked up by Pietrangelo. Taken along the wall by Stone. Marchessault's got it against the boards. Stopped by the goaltender. Goaltender hangs on for the whistle. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We've still got zeros on the board. Kopitar's won a big draw in their own end. Puck clears the zone and they'll be forced to regroup. Tried to make a move and the puck hops away.
Theodore's trying a little bit too much there. You're in the offensive zone. Just make a direct, simple, quick play. Probably better off than trying to do what he did there.
Here's a short pass to Janmark. Moves it around along the half wall. And he loses possession of the puck after trying to make one too many moves. Battling for it along the boards. With possession along the wall. Errant pass and they can't connect. LA's in transition. Receives the pass. And that shot gets caught in traffic. That pass doesn't go. Quick pass to Arvidsson. And that's broken up. Along the wing up the neutral zone. And that's intercepted by Walker. Arvidsson's going to play it against the half wall. Knocks the puck down with a stick. From the place 99 made famous. Looks to set up at the point now. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Across the line. Manages to hang on. Can't get it to go. And he comes up with it. The Kings gain possession. They fight for it along the boards. Scooped up along the wall by Walker. Through the open ice, they're picking up steam. And now it's grabbed by Athanasiou. Janmark stick handling in his own zone. Through center along the wing. Shoots it. Glove save made by Peterson. We'll get a face-off after the puck stays covered up. Late goings of this period. Still scoreless in this one. LA's got a hold of the puck. The Kings will play it in their own end. Great use of the stick in the defensive end by Deneau. Slides the cross-ice pass. Pokes it away in his own end. The Kings carry it along the wall. Lets one go. And he easily stops that one. Made the stop on the play.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Moves it quickly over to Mata. Dishes it to Deneau. And he slides it quickly to Velarde. And that pass can't connect. Takes the feed. Denies him. And he hangs on just as time runs out. And there's the buzzer bringing the second period to an end. You don't want to go home yet, do you? Third period action still to come.
Before the end of tonight's game to claim your prize. And thank you for supporting minor league hockey in your community.
Both teams seem fresh after that second intermission. We're ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Third period is now underway, and this next goal could be a critical one. Nice pass. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. And that's poked away by Edler. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. Goalie with a stop. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Stone. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes a shot. Gets a glove on it. Puck battle along the boards. Aya follows, gaining momentum. Vegas has it near the wall. Picked up along the boards by Kopitar. And that one's broken up. Moves it to Marchessault. And now he angles it across to Stone. Takes the pass. Big time stop. Peterson's going to hang on for a whistle. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. Still looking for our first goal. Vegas takes possession off the draw. Oh, what a stick save! Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Picked up along the wall by Pacioretty. He scores!
Always good to get on the board. Get the monkey off your back early.
Vegas has finally broken on through here in this third period.
Yeah, stay on it, though. Don't sit back and try and defend the thing. That just invites trouble.
Kempe's won the draw. And they'll dump it in. Vegas will play it from behind the net. Handles the puck. Los Angeles takes hold of the puck. And now it's over to Athanasiou. Los Angeles plays it along the wing. Pass back to the point. Sends a pass over. Quick feed to Smith. Takes it across the blue line. Into the corner of the attacking area. Can't connect!
This is when you see guys starting to shake their head or squeeze the stick a little bit tighter when they go back to the bench. Plenty of chances at both ends of the ice. Nobody seems to be able to find a way to finish them off.
The Kings have it now. Here's a short pass to Velarde. Shot! Gets in front of it. Leonard's got it, and he'll elect for the whistle.
Jumped on it pretty quickly there, and like everything else tonight, he's really looked in control. He's had an excellent game.
Past the halfway mark of this period, 1-0 is where we sit at this point. And they take possession. Nice job tangling him up on the draw. The Golden Knights take it along the wall. Some solid defensive work in their own end with the poke check.
The kid's looking for his first. Oh, puck doesn't get there. So crowded in front of the goaltender.
Vegas has it in the defensive end. And now he tries to get it across to Whitecloud. Denies him. He got all of it. Too many bodies in the way. And another stop.
Peterson's probably the one reason that this game is the way it is. His save percentage has been outstanding.
Puts it in deep. Leonard's opted to hang on to the puck for a face-off. Check in with our own Carlin Bade, who had the better night in that head-to-head matchup with the Stars.
Kopitar's gone to work, guys, and even though he hasn't been rewarded with a point, I've liked how he's played his game better.
Theodore's got control of it now behind the cage. The Golden Knights take it across the blue line. Takes a shot. Misses over the net.
He really could have put a nail in the coffin there. Leading by one, another one would have made the ending a lot more comfortable.
Enters the offensive zone from the left. LA's got the puck along the wall. Gotta find a way to get back into this one as they trail the extra attackers on the ice. A rocker off the blocker. Pinned up along the boards. Great heads-up play with the stick by Theodore. Taken by Smith. Los Angeles has possession of it now. Here's a chance behind the net. Denies them with the glove by Leonard.
Smothered that in-close chance.
Here we go. Face off inside the offensive end. The net is empty. They've got the extra attacker out. Vegas wins the draw. The final horn sounds.
Doesn't matter when the shutout is, a goalie always feels great about himself if he can blank the other team. Played very well tonight.
No shortage of tire pumping from his teammates tonight. For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us tonight.